Hello everyone, welcome back to K2 Blogging, and today we are going to see how you can add a back button to your website. So as you can see, I have a back button like this. So let me just go to About Us page first, and then I will go to my blog page, and let's click on this blog link here. Now I can go back by clicking on this button quite easily. So if you want to implement this in your WordPress and Blogger website, then stay tuned. So for this, what I can do is just go to my WordPress dashboard, and you can use any code manager plugin. So I am using WP code plugin. So let me click on header and footer, and in the footer section you need to add a code like this. So I will provide the code link in the description. Just copy this code and paste it in the footer section of your website, and you will be able to add a back button like this to your website. So if you are using Blogger, then you can also implement a back button. Just go to theme and click on edit HTML, and similarly just go to the footer section. So just scroll down all the way to the bottom and paste it just above the closing body tag. All right, now let me click on save, and as you can see, we have now back button. So let me just go to this blog post, and let me go to the blogging category. Now I can click on the back button and easily go back to the previous page. So you can implement it, you can change its position. So you can adjust the position from the left and bottom. So let me select the button here, and you can set the position. So let me set it to responsive, and here bottom is 24 pixel. Let's say you want to display it like 30 pixel from the bottom, or you can set like 50 pixel or 90 pixel from the bottom. And here you can set the position from the left as well. Let's say 30 pixel from the left side. And if this button is overlapping with any other element on your website, then you can also implement a G index, and you can set a higher G index value here so that it will not overlap with other elements on the page. So let me know if you have any further customizations you need on this back button, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos like this, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.